How to hide Instagram chat without deleting it. First off, let me say this. Have you ever wondered how to delete or hide your Instagram chat without you noticing it? Or if you have a lot of chat bothers you, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, okay? I will also inform you that I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always do so on your iOS device as well. Then go to your Instagram application, and from your home feed go to your bottom right button, your profile button, and as you can see that the current chat can only show, mute or delete. To hide it, you have to switch to the professional account. To do so, you should go to your Hamburger account, choose settings, and then choose account. Scroll to the bottom and you can see switch to professional account button with a blue text highlighted. A word of advice also, because to switch from a regular Instagram account to a professional account requires you to be a public account. If your account is private and you intend to use it that way, then please do not follow this step. Now, if you understand the requirement and you still want to do it, then just click switch to professional account. Press continue until you find what best describes you. You can always do like musician or a blogger or a clothing company. Maybe I will choose actress or actor, and then I'll choose creator, and from there you can skip all the professional account setup. From there you can just close it, and right now if you go to your Instagram chat and then choose move to general, and as you can see that my current test account, my other test account, is now moved to the general, and if you move it to the general tab you will not receive any notification from it. And that's pretty much how you hide your current Instagram chat. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment to our channel if you want to have more topics covered in our channel. Okay, cheers, take care, and goodbye YouTube.